Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable music on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my garden, and you can find different buttons in the home screen. New, go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and if you want to enable or disable the music and the sound, click to the third icon at the lower bar on the screen, and if you click that, you just disable the music. But if you want to turn on, just click that again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.